So this is pound yen analysis for Friday the 28th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and when prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices come towards this 49.10 for a perfect test, held resistance around 49.10, broke below the 40. Let's just have a look here. So we broke below the 48.61, retested 48.61, saw this breakdown, didn't quite get down towards that 47.35, came in towards, I think it's the 47.60s or so, had this rally back up towards the 48.61, briefly traded above the 48.61, held this resistance, retested, and at present we do appear to be holding resistance again at that 48.61. Now, there is a potential price contraction squeeze here developing off the 200 period moving average, which may just be providing support here on the pound against the yen. So if we do continue to hold the resistance around the 48.61 and the support at the 200 period average, we may just see a subsequent break, price contraction squeeze here and see a subsequent break. If you do see a breakdown here on the pound against the yen, if we do continue to hold at 48.61 and we do break below the 200 period average, very next level of note is move down towards a 47.35, successful break from which then look at the price head down towards a 46.38. In around a 46.38 we do have that confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. If however we do see the break to the upside, we do break beyond the 48.61, we're looking for a move towards our 49.10. Previous scenario, we encountered resistance, successful break from which, looking at our previous highs here in around that 49.78, our highs from around the in around the 22nd of September, in around that 49.78, and if we are successful in navigating 49.78, and if there is sufficient volatility to the market in the coming days or so, maybe even see that 50.56 tested here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart, we get scale on here correct, and on this daily chart, we can see we have our lows, higher lows, had a sharp acceleration to the upside. Had this rather bearish candle, had this rally failed at the 49.10. We're having a bit of a pullback. Now, in around where we are pulling back, we do have a 200 period moving average on the daily chart. We've traded below the 200 period moving average, but again, we've seen the bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So this could just be a pretty big, it's a fairly large flag we could be developing here on the pound against the yen. And if that is the case, if we do develop a somewhat bull flag here from a daily chart point of view, and we do see this subsequent break here to the upside, again, beyond the 49.78, we've mentioned the 50.56, but beyond that, very next, if we look to our left here, the very next level of significance of note would possibly be a move up towards that, it's near that 154 actually, it's that one, let's just have a quick look here. Yes, it's in around a 153.80 or so here on the pound against the yen. There are a few levels that we should be aware of, like for example the 52.85 and the 152, but it does appear from a daily chart point of view the very next level of significance in our not too distant past was that 153.80 level, and slightly below for that we've got the 52.85. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. And I suppose I should, before I go, mention levels that we are looking at to the downside. If we do see this continued sell side momentum, if this doesn't play out as a bull flag, and we do see a breakdown in prices, possibly looking for a move down towards that 46.38 here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.